let's get me to 175 subscribers, but at 170 I will order them. At 175 I will do the video on them. So let's get me to 170 to order the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Hammer Shot, Nerf Rebel Sweet Revenge Reskin Blaster, and the Foam Dart Shooting Glock Pistol, and 2 Mad Mega Barrels. I'll order 2 more Mad Mega Barrels and use the whole barrel setup, the whole 72 drum from both, make it the big, huge drum. Like, see, 82, 92, 102, 112, 122, 132, 142, 142, 144 dart shooting Mad Mega Barrel. I will make it into that. So thank you very much. Have something to subscribe. Peace.